Hello guys, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox in Windows 11. Now, for that you want to go right here where you see the Microsoft Store. Open it. Now that the Microsoft Store is open, you want to type into the search bar Roblox. Here is right now the game, click on it, and it's as easy as to scroll a little bit down and you see right here the button where you see Get, click on it. Now this is going to download and install Roblox in your PC. Now, if you want to save some time, you can already create one account at the same time that this is downloading. For that, you want to open the Roblox website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. You want to write your birthday, your username, and you want to type a password. Now, this is optional. You can choose your gender, and you want to type into sync up. And that's it. You have your account created. Now you can close this window, look if Roblox is downloaded, and now you can open it or from the Microsoft Store, or you can go into your tab and search for Roblox. Now you can open it, and right here you want to click into login because we made the account already. Type out your username and your password. And now you're going to be able to play Roblox in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.